So Nasdaq market just jumped up, and I wanted to show you guys a trade that I'm just about to take, and we'll see how it actually ends up going according to plan. I'm going to be buying about 5 to 7,500 shares, which is about 100,000. I think 7,500 shares should be $118,000 worth of sqqq. But I like doing this in increments, so I'm going to do 4,000 shares first. I wanted to show my initial position, but as you can see, let me actually show you first. Nasdaq market quickly gapped up, and if we take a quick little step back, we can see that we have a common resistance range on what was it, 390, 391. Now it's looking a little bit more on the overbought side. Now that this is overbought, again, sqqq goes up when the Nasdaq market goes down. It's not that it has to, right? The Nasdaq market can continue to go up. I just saw it as a very quick move, so I'm going to go in with 5,000 shares, which is about $79,250 of sqqq, and I'm going to make sure that I still manage and mitigate my risk. So, right, my job's not to avoid risk. My job is just to manage it. Now, if this thing begins to show signs of progress beyond a specific point where the reward does not outweigh the risk, I have to manage it, right? So the reason that I find this to be so attractive is because of this significant sell-off. It's great. This is why it's so important to stay cash in advance, right? Because by you staying cash, now we're able to buy the dip and recover from the benefit. If the Nasdaq market does end up correcting itself, then this would be about a 1.5% move. Again, nothing too significant. A perfect world at $100,000. This would be about a $1,500 return, right? So I'm all for that. I would love to make $1,500 if the opportunity ends up presenting itself. And it looks like the MACD, the RSI, all of that is beginning to curl back over. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to buy now 2,000 shares. Now that direction is looking a little bit more favorable for sqqq, and my intention is to sell as we get closer to the 1605, 1608. Again, I'm not a perfect trader, so therefore, although the goal might be 1.5%, even if I just capture 1% of that, so be it, right? Market has pretty much just been trading sideways. It's been very, very boring. This has been the most exciting thing. You guys let me know down in the comment section. I know it just can't be me. Market's been very boring for the past couple of days, just trading sideways. So when a move like this happens, that's very significant, and it becomes very overbought within a short period of time, and I see a potential reversal on sqqq, I like to take advantage of it. So we'll see how it ends up playing out. I'll probably try to manage my risk at around a $300 loss, $300 or $400 loss with a potential reward of around $1,500. I see that risk to reward to be worth it in my opinion. But again, that's the beautiful thing about the stock market is you don't ever have to take any trade that doesn't make sense to you. When it comes down to overall economic reports that were released today, the biggest one that I saw was the consumer confidence report. And this one was actually caught within our live trading session, and it came in at 102 versus an expectation of 100. So it actually looks like consumer confidence is a little bit higher than what is expected, which should support that, okay, maybe the economy is beginning to do better. And I also do want to remind you, we have Vice Chair of the Federal Reserve, Michael Barr, that's going to be speaking today at 8 a.m. And then, I'm sorry, it's not 8 a.m. This was the one from this upcoming week. So let me go ahead and go down here on Tuesday. What's going on here? All right. Here it goes. So we have Michael Barr speaking at 1:05 p.m. and then he has a discussion at 3:30 p.m. Eastern time. So just making sure that you're aware of that. And then we have Jerome Powell, who's going to be speaking 11 a.m. on Friday. I'm thinking about live streaming it, so I'll leave it up to you guys. If you guys want me to live stream this, just make sure you drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll take care of the rest. Other than that, again, I want to remind you guys, 6 days left for our BMW and Tesla giveaway. That means every order right now, yes, gets you entered for both cars, and it's 20x entries, which means every $1 you spend equals 20 automatic entries for you to win one of these two vehicles. And again, the giveaway for the BMW M4 or $50,000 cash ends on December 3rd. So if you haven't entered, there's not going to be a better time. Click that fourth link in our description or head on over to shoptechbutts.com. Select your favorite items. Obviously, the more that you spend, the more entries that you're going to win or get an effort to win these cars. So I appreciate your time. Hope that we're in a thumbs up. Just wanted to provide you guys with a quick little trade update on what I saw going on today. When I saw this thing pop off, I was like, okay, cool. At least finally we have a quick little trade or potential reversal. Let me know what you guys think of it. Do you think I'm completely in the wrong, or does it make sense at least because how slow the market's been for the past couple of days that a move like this, and if it does end up correcting itself, obviously there's margin to be made on sqqq. So I'm excited to follow up. I'll keep you guys up to date on Instagram. Hope that earned your thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.